We think we've found it. A bit of dress up without donning a whole Halloween costume. I feel like producers are doing this just for me. I'm not a big dresser-upper. It's the uncostume, really, the mom costume, and just the right thing to wear for every Halloween occasion. Crafter Amy Latta is suggesting we make a pair of inexpensive but very festive earrings. Hi, Miss Amy, how are you?
I'm great. How are you doing, Brooke? Happy spooky season.
Oh my gosh, I'll send that right back to you. I actually love Halloween. I'm not a Grinch about it. I don't know if the term Grinch applies to Halloween. I just don't love dressing up. So this idea of kind of small touches speaks to my spooky spirit. Tell me about this idea and really convince me why I'm gonna make earrings instead of buy earrings.
Well, first of all, these are really comfortable to wear. They are the lightest weight earrings that you've ever put on. So even if you're not typically a dangle earring kind of girl, you're going to be like, wow, I don't even feel these. Also, super cheap. It's actually cheaper to make than buy this time. And you can create these custom so they can be absolutely your own style. They can be big, they can be small, they can be any shape, size, color, pattern you want.
They're super cute. I've never made jewelry before, so what supplies do I need to get started?
So the good news is this is a great first jewelry project, Brooke, because you don't need a ton of fancy supplies. The only tools that you're going to need are just some pliers, which I'm sure you already have laying around the house in a toolbox. Then we need the material for the earrings itself, which is faux leather. So what I did here was I went on Amazon, my shopping best friend, and I found a set of 12 coordinating pieces of faux vinyl, and it was only $14 for all of them. So they're just a little more than $1 a sheet, and you can get about like 15 pairs of earrings out of one sheet. Then you're just going to need some ear wires and some jump rings, which are just the little O-shaped metal pieces, and you can get those very easily at the craft store or online, and that's it.
Okay.
Along with your Cricut machine or scissors.
All right, walk me through the process, sister.
Sure thing. So if you've got a Cricut like I do, this is an electronic cutting machine. So what you're going to do is open up your Cricut app, or if you have a Silhouette, open up that app, and you're going to choose the shapes for your earrings. And this is where you get to be really creative. A lot of them are already loaded in there. So you can find some that are just circles, half circles. You've got like these ovals with points, there's teardrop shapes, anything you want. And then you just put this on the cutting mat, send it in, let the Cricut cut it, and then it's also going to put these little holes in the top, or if it doesn't, you can use a little teeny tiny hole puncher and just put a little hole in top. And then we're going to take our jump ring, which is just that little metal circle.
Yeah.
And we're going to take pliers and twist it open. Now, here's a pro tip. You always want to just twist it apart like this. Don't pull, because then the circle loses its shape and you'll never get it back again the way you want it.
Good pro tip.
Yes, we're just going to thread that through. We're going to pop it on an ear wire, and then we just close the jump ring, and it's that easy.
Now, what if I don't have a Cricut, Amy? Can I cut them out by hand? Not going to be as precise, not going to automatically do, you know, the jump ring holes, but is that doable too?
Most definitely. I mean, you can see this is just a teardrop shape. So you can print out or sketch a pattern of any shape that you want, find shapes online or draw them by hand, and then just trace them on, and you can cut them out using a nice sharp pair of scissors.
Okay, finish us off. How do we wrap it up?
Oh, well, all you have to do is you can wear them, or if you want to gift them, I like to take a piece of cardstock and just punch holes, and you can stick these through, put a little bit of washi tape around the bottom, write a little message, you've been booed. You can put this on your neighbor's door. You can give them out at work, send them to school, all those fun things.
Okay, so I missed it. You already put the earring hook on then. Jump ring, earring hook, ready to wear, ready to gift, cute little pair of earrings to call your uncostume for Halloween 2022, yeah?
Absolutely.
All right, Amy, thank you so much. A fun little project to take on. I know the girls, the grandkids, they'd love to do this with mom, with grandma, so a fun circle up around the craft table moment. Before we say goodbye, can I ask you about your latest book?
I would love that because it releases today. I'm so excited.
Congratulations.
Thank you. This one is called Doodle Everything. It's super duper fun. It's got over 400 different images and step-by-step instructions for each one. So there's all kinds of sports stuff and flowers and herbs, animals, holiday, everything you can imagine, and it's available everywhere starting today.
I love the title of the book because really I think at this point doodle has become like therapy. Hasn't it, doodling?
Absolutely.
It's like this mindless yet like soothing therapeutic activity. So a book that helps us and encourages us to do that is fantastic. Congrats on that, Amy. Way to go.
Thank you so much. And I'll actually be teaching a free doodling class at Pinners, Utah, November, that weekend, the 3rd through the 5th.
Looking forward to it. We'll see you there. Thanks so much.
Thank you.